Damn. Yo, this years out of my life. This is years out of my life that I'm consuming right now, bro.
Can you record what the fuck? Instagram was some bullshit.
Oh, bro.
This girl's on there?
Nah. Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Oh no, I'm scared, bro.
Damn, that shit on fire.
Damn.
Bro, park.
Park.
Bro, park.
We about to go investigate.
Alright, nigga. I want to get it. Damn it. I want to get it on camera in case it blow up. Wow. It already. That's a whole car on fire. Like, yo, that's a whole car on fire. Bro, I got asthma. How the fuck that happened? Oh shit, what if it blow up?
Hold on. Actually, yeah, and stand back a little bit.
Oh! Yo, this
See,
kid.
back up and blow up. This shit gonna blow up. It's all on the engine, yo.
Oh yeah, bro, that's gonna blow up, bro. We gotta back up a
bro,
little
We might
bit.
have to back up a little bit.
That's gonna blow up, and then the cars on the left gonna blow up.
Oh yeah, let me get it.
Bro, if that really explodes, oh. Nah,
We don't even know.
we just pulled up and that joint was like that.
Bro, I knew it looked smoky, dog. That shit gonna blow.
Yo,
They about to pick that shit out. No, under the
I know somebody saw they.
Yeah, y'all pick that shit out.
Holy crap.
They gotta do their thing. I wanna know the backstory of this bitch. Come on, nigga. Yeah, y'all.
Oh, I mean. Wow.
I probably did want to see that shit blow up.
You a pyromaniac.
I want to see that shit blow up.
Oh well, that's the end of that. Man, that was crazy.
It's still